Hello and welcome to my channel. This is Rochelle from the DIY Affiliate on YouTube and the Secret YouTuber on TikTok. In this video, I am going to show you how you can create one piece of content for your YouTube channel and splice it down into Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, Snapchat, Pinterest. So stick around, I give you just the facts. Let's jump into the video. Okay, so this video tutorial is for people who want to use all of the resources available to them when you are creating your YouTube channel. Who want to grow on social media, who are already on YouTube, on Instagram, on TikTok, on Snapchat. This video is for people who want to grow with video on these social media platforms. I've done a lot of research, and there are two ways for you to grow on social media. Is to choose one particular platform such as YouTube or TikTok or Snapchat or Facebook or Instagram, and then to focus on just that social media platform. But is why not take your YouTube video and splice it so that you can make a TikTok for your TikTok or something for your Facebook. And TikTok also shares to Instagram, so you can also share to Instagram. So this is for people who want to grow on all of the social media platforms that YouTube shares to, and also on TikTok and Instagram. So stick around, I give you just the facts. Let's jump into the video. Create a video for marketing. Growing on social media, what does that mean? Well, what does social media mean to you? Are you looking at just growing your YouTube channel, or are you looking at just growing your TikTok? Or are you trying to just master one of the social media platforms? It's always good to do research. It's always good to get new information, such as when you are creating content, you can create one piece of content and splice the content down to fit other social media canvases, such as TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, just to name a few. So your first step is to create the video. If you are new to creating videos, then you can look in one of my playlists, or you can look, I will leave a link in the description for you to follow a playlist that will help you to create the best video that you can. Have created your video, then comes the editing. And in the editing, you can splice your video down to create shorter video, such as one for TikTok or Instagram or Facebook. Everything is in the timing. When you are creating your video, you want to be aware of your environment. So when you create your video, if you are creating a video in a video for Instagram or for TikTok or any other social media platform that uses a 9:16 canvas, then you want to turn your phone, because then this will allow you to put a part in your video that you can actually use in a TikTok. You know, and you can use your imagination and decide on what is it that you want to use for your TikTok in your video. As you are creating your video, you will also keep that in mind. Another thing to keep in mind is Facebook. Facebook is also 9:16, which is this canvas. So when you are creating your video, you want to create a little bit of an introduction that you are going to say to your Facebook friends, you know, such as, "Hello, Facebook friends. Hope you're having a great day. Okay, so that's in my video. So as I'm walking around making this video, I have used the two canvases to the platforms in which I am going to share to. So that is a very important step in creating content for your YouTube channel, but also creating content for other social media platforms. Okay, so now we're going to jump into the camera screen. Go to a program called Inshot. I will leave the link in the description. Install the program on your phone and watch the video that you will see in the description if you are new to Inshot. For other people, just follow along with me. Follow me. You see how I'm also doing a TikTok? Like this post. Like this post. Follow me. Leave a comment. Everybody who hearts your like, follow them. Okay, that's just an example. Okay, so we're heading over to Inshot right now, and we are going to create our YouTube video, our TikTok, and our Facebook story. So, if you're still there, follow me. In order for me to show you the fastest, easiest, and quickest way possible, I am going to show you first what can be created. This is one made for TikTok. This is one made for Facebook. This one was made for Pinterest. And this one was made for Facebook. So different social media platforms that you can create content from one single YouTube video. So you are repurposing your YouTube video to create this content. The first thing that you will do is you will go to your canvas and you will make sure that you are at the 9:16 aspect ratio. And then once you choose this canvas, you can find the part in your video where you have filmed it using your cell phone with the 9:16 aspect ratio. And here, that's when you can start to create by splicing. So this is an example. I'm just going to show you how you would go about doing that. You would now go to your canvas and you would use your fingers and pinch the photo open and fit it into the canvas. Choose your check mark. And you can add text, more images, you can add music, you can change the filter, you can do a lot of different things with the Inshot editor. To create your Pinterest, you would do the exact same thing. You would decide where you want your Pinterest to, what you want your Pinterest to be saying, because you are going to use a part of the video. So say I chose this part of the video for my Pinterest, and I chose this for my Pinterest. So I wouldn't need this. And I wouldn't need this. So then this is going to be my Pinterest here. Now, here you can see the video is in the middle. You want the video to be on the top. And you can also add stickers, you can add a photo, you can add music. I am just going to be adding a couple of my videos. So I've added that, and this is what it looks like when it's done. For Snapchat, do the exact same thing. You would find the part of the video that you want to use, and you would delete the rest, You would go to your canvas, make sure you were at the 916, not this one, not that one, but the 916. And then you would stretch your picture up and pull your picture over to where you wanted it to be seen. And you can add stickers, you can add music, more text, anything that you would like. Choose the save. And this is what it would look like. This is for Snapchat, right there. For Facebook, it is the same thing. You would just choose part of your video that you recorded. Okay, so say I wanted to use that and this one. So I would get rid of this. And I would get rid of this. So this would be the only thing that I'd be using right there. And then I would go to my canvas and make sure that I was at the 9:16 ratio. And then I could save what I wanted and send to the Facebook stories. Just a recap, this was created for TikTok, this was created for Facebook stories, this was created for Instagram, this was created for Pinterest, and this was created for Snapchat, and this was created for Instagram stories. So I hope this has been helpful. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, then leave them in the comments. I love answering questions. And if you leave me a comment, I will get back to you. I'll check out your channel and I will subscribe to your channel to help you to grow. Also, leave me your TikTok link and your Instagram so that I can go over there as well. Let's grow together. Stay safe and have a wonderful evening.